Ya mwache mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie yi eso yedase papa umre no wadaje a wodi amaye de ehase Badwam kase nsema etodwa obete ewo mu bi eni GJ mpanifo se wo mo ehia ye akunta efa Ahmed Swali ya wonya ba bi ekro no ne wo no ho ensem sansem wei ene nsem afoforo bi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa Adom online.com semi ne nsema foforo bi ewo ho bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienti seden nsem no etie Ghana Journalists Association say one more ehianchiremu efri aban lawyer pani ho ne CID mfiensu ni ya Ahmed Swali enipa bi ekum no case no akosi say
between the Attorney General and the police. It is important for the two institutions to come out and tell us what exactly the issues are, to know who is telling us the truth. And it's the reason the first question will go to both of them, that one questions the GJ demands from these two institutions. That why, as the Attorney General Department or the police discontinue the case after years of investigation and public resources committed to pursuing justice. If it is true from the signal, from the report I read to the police, that they needed further particulars or enough evidence to be able to prosecute this matter, and that other perpetrators of this attack must be arrested so that all will be prosecuted together, then the question is that on what basis did the prosecutor or the police file the nollie prosecutor to enable the district?
Osan ede abasobode emma Inspector General of Police and Ghana Armed Forces wanamuntu a womo etuye no.
The attacks have decreased due to ongoing public education and engagement. The GJ would want to single out and commend. This one is a special commendation because we criticize them when they go wrong. The Inspector General of Police, IGP Christian Tete Nyonu, and his men, as well as the leadership of the Ghana Armed Forces, for the assurances and efforts to sensitize their men and women in uniform against attacks on journalists.
Yento so na Enroda Public Accounts Committee no asofo mienu ene kokopie ni mo ho ni nyina no Auditor General's report 2024 no de kan ye for education and communication hono penfo ekoi ekoyi nsema hodo ano.
Now we are being told that that contract, which is not being, or this service that we are going to render from the National Data Center to the Ministry of Health, must be signed with this private entity and payments made to the private entity. And so I have written officially to the Director General of NITA, instructing him to engage the Ministry of Health directly and not through the private entity.
I want to suffer no Ghana the Sansam so how I do so and Casaymo. What Sansam we see and a tuja?
There shouldn't be efficiency. Internal controls need to be strengthened. But what I'm saying is that don't wait until the body is in the mortuary and you say you want to find out why it is in that. But I'm guided. So we leave it to you to do your post public expenditure scrutiny. That is your mandate. But I agree with you that we should strengthen internal controls and emphasize more on preventing many of these infractions. By your committee in the last decade and two have saved the state billions of Ghana cedis, and you can do better. I thank you.
Adom TV kase na oguso ehwe anope ye toaso de makoye nsem foforo mu dia na Ghana ene Germany aban no asan ababiem aka wo ho abomu ayonkofo amapa eda wontamu mfie bebre ni no wasahye mu kena biem ama make say Germany aban no ahyebo se 65 million euros ye one day mayen sebe bitumi de aboa mpuntuo akwa animu manyimu omo hwe animu semra sebedwafo wo Germany beji atomo na sika no yensa aka.
Germany has remained a steadfast and reliable partner supporting Ghana's development through technical and financial cooperation in key sectors such as health, education, vocational and technical training, renewable energy, good governance, and peacekeeping. These interventions have contributed immensely to our institutional development, youth empowerment, and sustainable growth. During our extensive bilateral discussions this morning, President Steinmeier and I reviewed the current state of Ghana-Germany relations with great satisfaction, and we identified new and expanded pathways for our collaboration. We reaffirmed the strong bonds of friendship between our two countries, and these bonds are rooted in mutual respect, shared democratic values, human rights, the rule of law, and a common vision for peace, prosperity, and sustainable development.
Omampini esan so edituo nenim sene Ghana sikasem eko enhihyeya aban no ediegu akwanmu a eye resetting Ghana agenda eko nenim no.
I briefed President Steinmeier thoroughly on Ghana's current economic situation and our resetting Ghana agenda, which aims to restore macroeconomic stability, foster inclusive and sustainable growth, and tackle corruption, improve public financial management, and rebuild investor confidence in our economy. And I'm pleased to report that we're making tangible progress on this agenda, and the early signs are promising.
Enron kwanhie mu odin bi esiye wo La Paz main traffic light no ase ye motorbikes mienu make say ni panu mu ana won ti mienu no so no won mu pra no mu edin de kofa ba ye mu nkire mu eni
ba bia me ginan La Paz main traffic lights Las Palmas anopai moto mienu anya kwanhia wo hanom a wo kire mu se enipa num ena won ho aka
8:30 to 9 mu ho na moto bi free top on sa Majesty new one bi oba etechen be man ti odi speed free top on eba and speed na no dey ban the way light na so red na me teme dem na me teme okunipa eteme wan say grind na light na so me one na so red cars na ginagina but no moto no mirika na dey ban no ntimi nyine to no oba nyina ban si so anana cars no so e bi free say ram etime de be hu e mete ya ne okonyina ma no da so wakunipa ntimi at grind ana me tumiri kan ntimi koye na mema no ya 4 ana oba baako baba ma baako de da hye soro kotana nche no oba no ebutu ono mo se na omo dan ya na se de mo dan yam etime na me de ne to ni nchem ana me so o man dan ono mo kakra nti be 5 minutes ana sorry ba esi na police fo bebre wa anu na o mo nyina ba na o peja o mo na o mo do mbu kenti gen kwa me na me peja ande ba to pavement no so ono mo ana no so tete na police fo na ba be peja no do
no office na I saw the speed pa na o dey banti o mo bi no e be crash ye na pedestrians no I say nipa ba ko so e twem nti o dey motor no bo no ma ne ru ko so na o be to ekwen mo
ko hwe ma ne ha say de utu se nam no nya betu ana be ma no so na ne betwa na ne mo bubu ebubu obanda o be ma da won tin kra be den ofie ana obi so onu so fi so wo twakwa makọ o kese too pathetic eti esa ban be na ha kakra ide they should find solution earlier than better because if not they are better and better worse than this. We have been seeing this but they don't know the Nipa 5 go from the same movie but the me no my dream is as a from the major TV so come who be say that the earlier they should area stop this because it's becoming too much.
Kwabnensia amanebo La Paz Accra
Yantwa kasiano so na yemungra yensan fofromu dia president Ahafo Zongo chiefs Mohammed Bashiru woni Adom kase di nkomo na no dai ne si ye wo broni krom brono bi wo hwidiem NAIMOS fo no wabo ono mu abaso se won bibia mu no won ye wadwuma pepepe se wo se de e wo se oye no
Ghana by Nesumamo, I present Nesumamo, some big Jumadino. So be who say, will be say uniform, say immigration, air fire, air police, Yamfani de Massa Atadiano. Ye Hotere one a boy. When you be near his Ultimate police station, or some the bomb. Nemo Sia, Nona, Yeno Mosanya, Genebi, or Hotere Hefana over. Jevesere, so ya pini our Ghana. So ya for mobile, a sell me na sell me on Fanche. Omohe boy in I the boy, and ranting this boy, Omohe no for beer and French.
Emprempren di bitimi akasi ni pise Adom kase ma na bofo aprobo kakra wo de fa mpotemu ama yehunu se okupi mu ohwidi mu ne nkruto ahodo atwa ne ho hia adwebre ena ba
Afrasra for some media passport e ma omo se omba e no ye professional work man omo ye adwuma di ma ehunu se ampa omo training nyesa de ye kan nyina no ka news no nye asumbi asem na ye ka obi ewu asem na ye ka obi asem ewu na ye ka na committee ma pie adifende omo akọ obi antibi nye omo hwe omo no mukura ams bia ye so mo de bom banya na ena ban so na so mo ni mo nti na committee ma bom banya akọ ne mo no mo pese ebesi omo so da ni die ma ye so ya so ya ba ho no e da ni die ma e be nsa adu na de na okanya mo so tie je me so me da o ma se me bom aba so
wasansem we mu no Sutifi North womrashe bedwani Ebenezer Kwakuado ababa bechechiri mu na wose ono de ekọ hwesa asumdue ebetumi afa ne ntoma pa de afira na mom nye so wokọ ho akosai enioma
Go. Emrasha bedwani de momamfo we Sutifi North Ebenezer Kwakuado ene de nkrata ba monten so a wo kire se enema bia na mframa mu se ne ho bonwo omamfo ekoto hye asrafo enkunu bia nka woje wonkwa afiri wono mu ensem anyenye se nokru bia wo sansem no emu e won nkrata bi no ngasa ne nsa hyase a wo de ba monten so ne da ena wo de todwa se eye obububu so mende di kan me cheme de twemu ya no wonam kwan so a wokọ eyi e wa kire nsua ai no e wo Sutifi South abato mpeso no so ne wabra wodu hwidim no wonya ne ntie se basabasa wi amane mo so ewo gold extraction site bi nam so amane bo pie mu ewo hono mo ebra wodru ho wo free ne yonko ma shebedwane de momamfo we Sutifi South Collins Dauda ebra woni no ekasa no kire se ono de mprempre woni oman mu nanso ebeya enka wonko bia ya basabasa yi esi no ne omamfo ewo ho enkasa no hwe ne nam so ama mentimu asi amane mo so ebra wokodru ho no wono ena fe vice chairman de mana bato mpeso no so ema NDC amonyoko no eda wo ho di ede kire ba moduma ekufu ya enonam so ama wono ene Collins Dauda ekasaye e wotetefon no eso we ena wo kire mu dia ebra wo site wono hu se emebunu bi ebodompem e wono mu a otu wono mu fu se de ababia no wono mu emadwebre emra ne mu no wonko aposifo akache no fasem no enkonkoto wono mu enim na we no odi tudwa se akakrama wono mu edru hwidi police station no e wo kwan wo hu se omanfo yi esi e kwan na obi nko obi so emma enonam so ama wono ena afi nkofuko bi de wono mu eka posifo akache wo se ne be ya won bambo nsem ebetumi edimo we na mrahye bedwane ni tudwa se ebra enema koba asa no wo frɛ zongo hene wo hwidi mu se wo mameboa na adwebre embra enonam so mo hene so ebepie mu e wo bia ye hono mu we na mrahye bedwane ekire mu dia ebra basabasa nyina man ne musu wie zongo hene ankasa ede ne hyen ema se wono mu mfa asrafo yi entina mu onfa wono mu kopi bia obi biara ehu wono mu enkonkodi wono mu bone nanso manfo ya no obodompemi onani ambo wono mu dwa ohene hyen so wono mu essay no so edika ho we na mrahye bedwane ekire mu dia ne wadi ya opase enkrata hodo mpanyimfo de babonti nyina wono mankyire bibia ne ma hodo no so yeye ema adwebre ebaye a we wo kire mu dia wabi na promo ede ato se nhwima hodo bia mpanyimfo ebepese wono mu ebeye no waye krado a wade no ho ebeba ama nhwima hodo etumi akoso se ne ebeya obetumi assign ti ewo kodo hodo a wono mu ede bono no emu
Nene Sutifi South so mrahye bedwane Collins Dauda so ene kasai no kure bi animu sade yakoso na no da wo broni krom hwidie mu ho no onim ho bi
Mmerashe bideni owo Esutifi South Alhaji Collins Dauda edi abetu dwa se NAIMOS enipa bi mu a womo ekoto hye won so no onim ho hwe wo kasa efi South Africa abroko Pan African Parliament wo munhye mu bi ekoso no odi to dwa se wono kura enam se wote asemi ene mane frɛ mmerashe bideni owo Esutifi North se wonhwe asemnim wo kyeremu a ofrɛ no se asomdue ebekoso ewo sa empatemo nanso no enye kwan boni so se ne nipa bi mu ede atodwa no NAIMOS wonsem a etodwa na no no eyade a omanfo eka ho asempa
Pan African Parliament meetings and me fi Ghana by asempa F na my no na mete Mina so many calls from the constituency soldier for be abaho operations na assemblyman baby I no say ade no course on na me yes assemblyman nko na me musa the lead team no na o ma me briefing assemblyman no the leader no of the team no wa na me ankasa o ka cha brand o ka cha assemblyman say o na me ankasa. So just me confirm that course no so eba. Enti emuna certificate of MP firm say obe ye or meme conference or achirensia. The mami hu say or enti me say ono no wosoro no onko na me commander no of the team no and kasa ebi a ono de okwa only refuse to talk to me. The man, the honorable Ebenezer Kwakwado Ba, Assembly, no any plan be asked about. Na pa me person me briefing a free team no, and a man, the cast one uncle.
Yenyo so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha ne breba kwan ya no pay de ACA. Yada sepa mre ni adaje a wodi amba yenti. Wadaromo kayon ho nensoi na yenhwe adomonline.com the bonkrata no agudie mu nsem ne health tips ebebie phone lines no so e de amount wa fei na wodi afidie no ato ha no yemo ache yemo akwa abasonko kra radio fosu 97.1 ya chiachi amunyina ya da munyina ase